Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So it's been another glorious day today. So I've been busy out in the greenhouse, just repotting things and sorting things out. So today's episode is just going to be a quick update on what's going on in the greenhouse, and I'll give you a little look at the few bits in the veg patch as well. But this is mainly a greenhouse update video. So if you're interested, if you'd like to join me, get back to you in a second and we'll get started. Alright guys, so we'll start from here and work our way around, and I'll just give you a quick update on what's growing in the greenhouse. So these are tomatoes that my daughter sowed. Don't know what the variety is. They're either Roma or Yellow Delight. Along the back there is my next previous sowing of tomatoes. These are Yellow Delight, I believe. So along the front here is my sunflowers for the Sunflower Challenge 2020. If you're interested in that, Nick started this a few years back and it's been going ever since. That's Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary. I will leave a link below, basically just to see who can grow the biggest sunflower, and there's a couple of other ones as well, the ones with the most heads. Something quite interesting to try. Right, so we crack on. So these two here are my pumpkin Big Macs, which I've just repotted because I'm not quite ready for them to be in the ground yet. I'll let them get a bit more established so the slugs don't eat them like last year. See, they're getting quite big now. Amazing how fast they grow. These 6 pots here are my canary melons, growing from shop bought seed. I've just separated these and potted these up yesterday, so they should take off soon in these pots. These two here are cucumbers, Market More 76. In here is more watermelons and more canary melons. So these were started in paper towel and then transplanted into here. So in a few more days they should perk up and start growing a bit. Down here, this is where these weren't here originally. I had some radishes in there. But I harvested them and I've stuck 2 pepper plants in here. So I've got a Frigatello pepper, which is their Italian sweet pepper. Looks like quite a good variety, haven't tried them before. And this one here is another sweet pepper. The packet just says mixed on it, so I'm assuming in there is all mixed varieties. And my container grown carrots that I'm growing for baby carrots in this one, doing quite well. These are Chantenay red, the red cord variety, so it'll be interesting. These two here and these two here, more pepper plants, sweet peppers again, mixed varieties, and this one here is a Frigatello again. Don't know what's going on with the edge of the leaves. I'm assuming that's a bit of cold damage. We'll have to see how they go. So I'll put them in their final containers now. These are 10 litre or 12 litre pots, I believe. So they should be perfect for these pepper plants. Don't need quite as big a pot as tomatoes, but they do need something pretty big. So a bucket or one of these big flower pots is ideal. And these are beetroot. Can't remember the variety, but it doesn't really matter. As I said before, I'm not going to be thinning these out much. I'm going to let them do their thing in here. I will thin them out a little bit every now and then, but as we pull them out we'll eat the smaller ones. And another container of early carrots. Not doing quite as well as the other ones. possibly because they're an early variety which prefer the cold a bit more. These are the broad beans which I just sowed in my last video. Marigolds, French marigolds, more French marigolds. I'm using these as sacrificial plants, dotting them around because the slugs prefer these to practically anything else, so they will head for them first. I've got video of this actually working, so when I get around to doing a video about that, I'll put that on. And these are flowers, Sweet Williams. Get back to this side. These are the sweet corn, which we sowed in the last video as well. Obviously haven't come up yet because that's only been a day or two. This is a sickly pumpkin plant, sown the same time as the other two. Don't know what's going on with it, but it's going to leave it, see how it goes. And this was the sickly cucumber, which is actually perked up and is looking alright now. So see how they go. This is a watermelon plant, these two. They should start taking off soon. See, they've got a bit of leaf curl, just because it dropped quite cold in here about a week or so ago. So, but I'm hoping they'll recover. The new growth shouldn't be so curled up. And I've got 2 more tomatoes here. I did have 3, but one of them's out in the veg patch in a great big pot. So they're doing well. Bit of leaf curled again. That's just because of the temperature fluctuations. They should sort themselves out soon. And obviously just been removing the suckers as they come up. Right, alright guys, so that's it for the greenhouse. So I'm just going to run you over to the veg plot quickly. I've just got a few things over there that I want to show you. So I'll get back to you in a second. Right, so we're out on the veg patch now. So I'm not going to show you everything. I'm just going to have a little talk about what I've been doing. So I've moved all this lot down this way a bit, just so they get a bit of afternoon shade. And I've moved the rhubarb to the end so it's in shade more than anything else. And so all this you've seen before. So the only thing out here which I've done is put this tomato in this great big 30 litre pot here. So we'll have to see how that goes. So my plan is for it to grow up this 6-foot obelisk. And so not much else has been going on in here. Just show you over here quickly. A few more of the radishes there and beetroot, and also all my carrots have come up. So that's a bit of a shock for me. Don't think I've ever had any success with seed sown carrots in the ground. Maybe because normally I try and do it earlier. This year I left it till mid-May, so it's probably more of the perfect time for them. As you can see, we've got the whole row come up. Obviously the sunflowers along there and tomatoes along there. Right. Okay everyone, sorry it's only a short episode today. I just wanted to give you all a quick update on what I've been up to. So I'll keep you updated on this tomato plant in here. Not that one, it is that one. And I'll also keep you updated on everything else. So the next episode probably be in another few days. I've got a lot more things to do. So should be some interesting videos coming up. So that's it for today guys, so thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and any questions, any advice for me, just feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video if you like it. I'll see you next time guys, have a great week, bye.